It is 4th of July. We're riding 100 miles. Let's go along for the journey. Because the journey is the destination. I can't think of a better way to celebrate the birthday of America, our Independence Day, than to ride our bikes 100 miles over this great country. And that's what we do every 4th of July. A bunch of friends at the skate park and myself, we get out there and we go 100 miles. So come along for the ride. Show you the sights and the sounds and the fun time of riding 100 bike miles on the Erie Canal. I mean, you can make it longer.
Way through up my head. Disposable camera. I love how this is like the hardest solo ever to do, and now I'm like Instagram.
Oh, now you guys are happy that we're
Right out here.
This feeling no one.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers.
Yeah. Well, yeah, you don't have to be 21 to drink beer or. Mallard. That's what you do.
Wisdom is a short one to be in.
Nate's multitasking.